So, now and only now am I talking about the foldable iPhone. That isn't a foldable iPhone. People need to stop calling this an iPhone Fold. It's an iPhone Flip. It's a flippable iPhone. I said this before my last video. Flips and folds are not the same. I know you might say, well, that's a stupid, like, who cares? Like, it's very much of a difference. One, I could buy and not mortgage my house. The other one, you gotta mortgage your house. Completely different. Anyway, flippable phone industry, okay? We got, now that this is officially in the cycle, meaning the flippable iPhone is going to happen. For the longest time, it was kind of like a pipe dream. It's not going to happen. Come on, man. Come on, man. Now it's actually a real thing. Like, this is actually going to happen, which is exciting. It is exciting. So, we got a patent here. And this is, by the way, just a 3D render of what it looks like. I'll leave a link down below the description. It's all cool if you'd like to check it out. But overall-wise, it's amazing how every single 3D render is literally just the typical regular iPhone, right? Put a hinge on it, and now it can fold. Lordy. I highly doubt the official first generation of a flippable iPhone will be like this. It's going to be chunky. Not crazy amounts, because Apple does have a lot of high standards and how they operate. They operate on a premium level. It won't be like chunky like crazy, but it won't be as flush or perfected as this. This would be probably like the 4th or 5th generation of these affordable flippable iPhones. Which I think is kind of funny. A lot of people think that, oh, Apple joins the industry, they're going to absolutely come in with a home run hit. It's going to be a grand slam. No, it's not. It's going to be a very glitchy mess that is kind of iffy. And they're going to be like every other phone company in the industry. Samsung started off with the Z Flip series where after a certain amount of flips, the inside screen would crack. That was their second, third generation of the phone. The same concept's going to happen here for Apple. Just a little side note. Now the question is, will Apple, when the things are stacked against them, will they use the Apple Vision Pro route and just fold? See what I did there? Or will they, you know, stay with the storm? And that's the real question here. But here's what the patent looks like. So you got a hinge, which looks kind of weird, but if you break down any hinge, it's gonna look weird to you. But it's a pretty simple concept. You have, again, your typical flippable cell phone. It's not like anything, you know, out of the ballpark. Like, it's not a home run here. It's a pretty typical design. Which, again, for a first-gen product, yeah, you're just going to get the bare minimum. They're just going to get their feet in the water. They're just going to get their name in the door. Again, with the price tag of this product, that's really where I want to see what Apple heads. Apple always heads toward the extreme on price tag. This is something, when you have a first-gen product, don't feel like you can hit an extreme one. Why, when Google released the Pixel Fold 1, well, yes, it was popular. It wasn't as popular as the Z Fold series because it was a first-gen product. You got to get people on board with the idea. But, I mean, for the most part, again, I'm excited. Another phone company in the industry. More competition, better for the consumer. I love it. I just want everyone to keep their expectations at a minimum. You know, expect nothing. Be happy with what we get. Because, again, people are just having this crazy expectations. This is going to be out of a park home run hit on the first gen product. It's not. This right here, render, that's not going to be anywhere close to what it looks like. Anyway, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.